Available in Point Lookout, 138 Hewlett Avenue, approximately 3 houses from the beach. In the garage, you could fit 2 cars. In front of the garage, you could fit another 2 cars. I'm going to show you guys the exterior of the house first. So walking down this path, you can see you have your own barbecue grill. And you also have a seating area. Around this corner are central air units. Brand new house. Just got done 6 months ago. Everything's brand new in this house. Here's the front door. Let's go inside. The floors are new, the stairs are new, everything's new. We'll start with the garage here. Again, 2 cars. In the back of the garage is the heating system. Under the stairs over here, there's an area for some storage. Beach chairs right now. Let's go upstairs. I'll start with the kitchen. Here's the main attraction. You have an island in the kitchen. Over here is a dining area. Next to it is the living room with a fireplace. You have a balcony over here that has views of the ocean. Let's continue on to the other side. Down here we have 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom. Here's a walk-in shower. First bedroom, ceiling fans, and closet space. This is just a closet for the vacuum cleaner and stuff. Over here is the second bedroom. Again, ceiling fans and closet space. Let's go upstairs to the 3rd floor. I'll finish off the video. Straight ahead is the second full bathroom in the house. This shower has a tub. Over here is the 3rd bedroom. Fourth bedroom in the house. And over here is your common area. You have a washer and dryer up here and another balcony. With views of Atlantic Ocean. And that's it. If you would like to set up an appointment, please call 516-431-8000. And for more houses like this in Point Lookout, please search up hugrealestate.com. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.